One time I was really sick, and this older woman who believed in natural remedies recommended Gordo Lobo. I was feeling a little flushed today, so hubby went to get me a bag because I had run out. I usually keep 1 or 2 bags in my pantry, but unfortunately today I didn't have any. In English, it's called a mullein tea or mullein leaf tea, so make sure you keep that in your pantry this flu and cold season because you're gonna need it. Add a little ginger. Today I didn't have any, so it was just lemon, apple cider vinegar, and a little honey and sauce. I'm gonna be feeling so good. If you have a cough, this is it, girls. Go get it.